Hello guys, welcome back to iPhone Guides. If you are watching this video first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Today I will show you how to add screen recording to Control Center on your iPhone. But first we need to go in Settings. Then we scroll down and go into Control Center. There we can look minus and plus icons. Minus icons mean that this element already added in your Control Center, and plus icons means other elements, which we can add to your Control Center. As you can see, I already added screen recording, but I show you if you haven't already. We need to scroll down and choose screen recording in order to icon become with minus. Let's check it out. Very nice, we learned how to add screen recording in your Control Center. Thank you very much for watching this video, click like if I helped you, and subscribe to my channel to find another guide. Goodbye!